Hi friends, welcome back to Acharya Gurukul. Today's topic is method of measurement of buildings and civil engineering works. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the introduction, the specifications of IS 1200 and measurements of various types of works. Measurement occupies a very important place in the planning and execution of any civil engineering work from the time of first estimates to the final completion of the settlement of payments for a project. Methods followed for measurement are not uniform and considerably differences exist between practices followed by different construction agencies and also between various central and state government departments. Civil engineering involves the planning, designing, and construction of various structures such as buildings, bridges, roads, and water supply systems. In order to accomplish these tasks, civil engineering use a variety of units of measurements. Some of the most commonly used units of measurements in civil engineering includes meters, feet, inches, millimeters, and centimeters for length, cubic meters, cubic feet, gallons, and liters for volume, and newtons, pounds, and kilograms for force. These units of measurements are used to specify the dimensions, quantity, and properties of various construction materials and components. Now we'll discuss what are the various specifications that are there in IS 1200. The 1200 code, the IS 1200 is divided into 29 parts. Part 1 discuss about earthworks, Part 2 concrete works, Part 3 brickworks, 4 stone masonry, 5 formwork, 6 refractory work, 7 hardware, 8 steel and iron work, 9 roof covering including cladding, 10 ceiling on lining, 11 floor finishes, 12 plastering, 13 whitewashing and painting of building surfaces, 14 glazing, 15 polishing and varnishes, 16 laying of water and sewer lines, 17 roadworks, 18 demolishing and dismantling, 19 water supply and plumbing, 20 laying of gas and oil pipelines, 21 woodworks, 22 materials, 23 piling, 24 well foundations, 25 tunneling, 26 acid resistant lining, 27 earthwork done by mechanical appliances, 28 sound insulation works, 29 determination of dry density of soil by core cutter method. Recently, this IS 1200 is getting upgraded, and the 2025 version may come very soon. According to IS 1200, methods of measurement of works of civil engineering are as follows. Dimensions shall be measured to the nearest value of 0.01 meter. The area shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 meter square. Cubic content shall be calculated to the nearest 0.01 meter cube. Weight shall be worked out to the nearest 0.001 tons. The thickness of RCC slab shall be measured to the nearest 0.005 meters. The thickness of steelwork shall be measured to the nearest 0.001 meter. The length of the steel reinforcement bar shall be measured to the nearest 0.005 meter and its diameter to the nearest 0.0001 meter. If the thickness of the road is less than 20 mm, its thickness shall be measured to the nearest 0.005 meter. It means the dimensions shall measure to the nearest 0.01 meter, means whatever the dimensions that we measure, it should be the least value of the dimension is 0.01 meter. The measurements for various types of works we'll discuss in the subsequent slides. For materials, these are the various materials that we used in civil engineering works: cement, sand, bricks, reinforcement steel, oil paints, tiles, wash basins, oil paints, rolling shutters, and PVC pipes. Now, what are the various measurements that we measure for these kind of materials? For cement, it is measured in terms of bags. For sand, aggregate, brickbats, wood will measure in meter cube. For bricks, will measure in terms of numbers, 5 bricks, 10 bricks, 15 bricks, like that. Reinforcement steel and steel sections and GI sheets in terms of kg, oil paint in liters, mosaic tiles in meter square, WC tub and wash basin is in terms of numbers, oil paint in liters, rolling shutters, wire grill, plywood sheets is in terms of meter square, and PVC pipes are in meters. For earthquakes, earthquake in excavation in ordinary and hard soils is measured in terms of meter cube. Filling in plinth and foundation in meter cube. Surfacing dressing is in meter square. For brick and stone masonry, brickwork in foundation, plinth and superstructure is measured in meter cube. Brickwork in partition wall meter square. Honeycomb brickwork in meter square. For concrete works, for RCC, it is measured in meter cube, dam-proof coats in meter square, reinforcement steel in kg, centering and shuttering is in meter square. For woodwork, woodwork for door window frame is measured in meter cube. For door or window shutters in meter square, wooden floor is measured in meter square. Steel sections measured in terms of kg for various sections like angle, channel, and eye sections. Steel doors and work windows, steel gates and grills are measured in terms of meter square. Steel railing and pipes are measured in meters. For roofing and flooring, tiled roofs, GI sheets, waterproofing roofs are measured in meter square. Tiles, terrazzo, brickwork, stone, marble flooring are measured in terms of meter square. For plastering and finishing, cement plasters, whitewashes, painting of doors are measured in meter square. For painting of letters, no, it is not measured in any one of the units. Thank you. Jai Hind.